Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I don't know if you've seen my morning video or not, but I told you about the hurricane that's coming. Yeah, we got another hurricane coming. It's projected to be a major hurricane, category 3, maybe 4. We're right in the cone of uncertainty right now. It's too early to tell exactly where it's going to make landfall, but we are in that cone. And y'all know we just got past Hurricane Sally, and it was a category 1, and it tore Pensacola up big time. We still hadn't got cleaned up from it, so we don't need another one right now. Y'all pray that it shifts and goes somewhere else, or just goes back out into the Atlantic or somewhere. Okay, let's get into the stimulus stuff. Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi. If you remember, just a few weeks ago, Steve and Nancy started talking stimulus. If you remember how short their conversations were, they were so short, how could they say anything more than hello and goodbye? Just a couple of minutes, that's all it could have been. Well, all of that has changed. Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi talked yesterday on the phone for about an hour about the stimulus package. They talked about unemployment, and they talked about housing assistance and stimulus checks and more. They will be having another phone call today and discussing the reasoning behind the prices of these things that they want in the bill. They will be hashing the numbers out today. So maybe we'll get something. I think it's going to happen soon. I know y'all have heard this many times and you're sick of it. I am too. But I do believe it's going to happen very soon. I think we're getting close to it. Y'all, I mean, right now, all they've been doing is kicking that can down the road. You can only kick the can down the road so far until you run out of road. Then you're going to have to make a turn. I hope that turn is a good one. Y'all, be careful who you believe when it comes to stimulus. All of the news reporters, all of the headlines that you see, spinning things to suit them and their news networks, they're just giving you a bunch of garbage. The only two people we should be paying attention to right now is Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi. We may not like Nancy Pelosi, but she is calling the shots right now, her and Steve Mnuchin. Nobody else can do anything until Steve and Nancy reaches an agreement. Once they reach an agreement, and it's going to happen soon, I feel it, then it will go for a vote. Then it will go to the president for his signature. And we know he will sign it. President Trump is itching to sign a bill. Right now he will sign almost anything. And we all need the stimulus checks. Nancy Pelosi says, in order to get her way, she said nothing is better than the whole bill. Everything that she wants, and she's proven it. She don't care. She would rather give us nothing than to compromise on what she wants. Y'all, I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to put the answers down in the comment box below. Do you think we will see a stimulus package and stimulus check before the November 3rd elections. Another question I want to ask you. What do you believe should be taken out of the bill to make negotiations go easier and to reach that price point that they're looking for? President Trump says he won't go over $2 trillion. Nancy Pelosi is saying $2.2 trillion. When the White House and the Senate is saying they won't go over 1.9. What do you believe should be taken out in order to get this passed? I'm going to tell you right now what I think should be taken out. I think cannabis funding should be taken out. And I believe education needs to come back down to 1.5 billion like it was planned in the beginning. I don't believe undocumented workers should be getting a stimulus check. If they've done these things, it will bring it far below the target price that the Republicans and the White House is wanting. Y'all, the Senate and the House is out on recess. But the key people that makes the decisions, the ones that we need in Washington right now, are in Washington working very hard. And that's Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi. They are the ones driving this bill. Now, once they come up with an agreement, they're going to call the House back to Washington. They're on a 24-hour notice, which means once Nancy picks up the phone and calls and says get back to Washington, they got 24 hours to be back for a vote. If they're not back for a vote, they lose their vote. That's not going to be good for them and their re-election campaign. So they will be back. Did y'all see Nancy Pelosi was kicked off of TV yesterday? She was given a update on stimulus talks. Just as soon as she started talking is when President Trump was released from the hospital. The major news teams broke in over her, cutting her off and reporting about Donald Trump leaving the hospital. While I would have liked to have heard what she had to say without interruptions, I did think it was kind of funny the way it happened. I mean, we knew Donald Trump was being released from the hospital. They didn't have to break in, but sure was a good timing, wasn't it? Y'all, I told y'all about this in my morning video, the announcement, and I want to tell you again, I will be backing away from the 9 a.m. videos about making money online. I'm not quitting them. I'm just backing away. I'm not going to be doing them every day because those videos are getting very low views and they are hurting this channel big time and the YouTube algorithm. I hope y'all understand. I am not quitting them. I'm just backing away. I won't be doing them every day. I will, however, be ramping up my stimulus videos. I will be doing a better job at delivering them. A lot of people are saying that they love my stimulus videos, that I'm the only one that they watch and all that, and I really appreciate that. Y'all mean the world to me. But in my mind and in my heart, I know I can do better and I want to do better. So I'm going to be focusing all of my time on the stimulus videos, making them better for you. Y'all, I do have stun guns pepper sprays, and tactical knives. A new shipment of all of them just came in yesterday, so I've got them ready to send out. The link is in the box below. Also, my self-publishing mastery course is doing phenomenal. I never dreamed it would be doing as good as it is, but it's taken off huge. Y'all want in, you can still get in. The link is in the bottom. A lot of people would charge $1,000 for any course online. I can't do that. That is ridiculous. People's wanting to make money. They're not wanting to spend money. So $1,000 to me is out of the question, and it's just wrong for anyone to ask for that. I am asking $35 for mine, and you get more than that in just the freebies alone. Y'all be sure and check it out. Click the link below and read about it. I've got a sales page for it. Y'all go check that out. It may be something you want. If not, fine. I still love you. But please get the course. At the end of the course, you will have your own ebook published, and I will put your first book on my website. And I get a lot of traffic to my website, and I sell a lot of books. So this will put a lot of eyes on your first book, and you will be making money. I'm not going to charge you anything for that. I'm going to put your pay button on it. So the money will come directly to you. I will never know if you even made a sale or not. The only thing is you will be getting 100% of the money. Y'all, I do love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here on the screen. If you've already watched it, I'm going to beg you to click on it and let it play, and then walk away and get you a cup of coffee or a drink or something. And that would help me out tremendously, and I need all the help I can get right now. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I love you all. And if something breaks today, I will make another stimulus video, but the 9 o'clock money videos, they're going to be backing off. They won't be every day. I love you all. Ciao.